This next video will demonstrate face mask detachment. On the face mask and helmets that you'll be using, there'll be two lateral snubbers that you'll have to detach. In this demonstration, we'll show an electric screwdriver and how you use it to remove either side of the loop straps that's holding the face mask against the helmet. It should take you about 10 seconds per loop strap for a total of at the most 30 seconds. Now, if you think it's going to take you longer than 30 seconds, you have to initiate full equipment removal, which means the helmet and the shoulder pads have to come off. Now, the helmets that you'll be using in this study actually use the new quick release mechanism on the Riddell helmets. This video will show you the quick release mechanism. So this is the piece that is holding the face mask against the helmet. In the center is the release mechanism, and the tool that you use to release it is demonstrated in this part of the clip. All you do is just depress the center of the mechanism and it will release. Now on the helmets, you'll have two of these on either side. Now again, the rule is it should take you at the very most 30 seconds to access the airway. In this demonstration, it takes roughly 5 seconds to pop off the one, and at the most another 5 seconds to pop off the other, in which case the face mask can be lifted and the airway can be accessed in less than 30 seconds. Again, it's important to note that if you cannot access the airway in less than 30 seconds, you need to remove the helmet and shoulder pads completely to get airway and chest access. If you don't have the tools available, if for whatever reason the mechanism is defective, or if you're struggling in any way to lift the face mask, then just start taking the helmet completely off, followed by the shoulder pads. Key points. Again, know your equipment, your helmet, your face mask, your shoulder pads, etc. Know what tools you have and how to use them if you ever need to get access to the airway. The time it takes to take off each of the lateral loop straps should be at the most 10 seconds. Total time to lift the face mask is 30 seconds. If it takes longer than that, then you have to take the full helmet and shoulder pads off. Practice makes perfect.